I hope I don't mess the logo around this time.
Wait, what the heck? Why was the universal logo cut off? What's happening?
Oh my god. That scared me so bad.
Whoops. I did not expect this to happen.
At least it was only fortunate that the screen didn't broke.
Yeah, because if the screen would have break, we'll have to wait until the screen gets fixed.
Well, in that case, we'll have to go. The time has ran out, so yeah. Let's go out for lunch.
This is the EAS System, the home of the 90s series of the television. Until then, this is the EAS System, signing off. And don't forget to turn off your signal.